A sleek mechanical keyboard becomes the lens through which global wages are measured, showing how much work is needed around the world to own a single typing staple. In affluent countries, it takes just a few days of work, but in others it stretches into weeks or even months, highlighting stark gaps in income and price. The visuals shift from a quiet desk to bustling streets and crowded markets, underscoring daily life realities behind the numbers. Viewers walk away with a clearer sense of how wages shape everyday tech choices. The message is simple: catch the gradient of global wages and the price of progress.